SVR.
National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Houston Ship Channel to Denver Harbor, Port Houston, moving south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Hazard, penny-size hail.
Oh.
60 miles per hour wind gusts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, the new broadcasting cycle's weird.
Locations impacted include northwestern Pasadena, Deer Park, Galena
please
Park,
be a doubleheader.
Jacinto City, Greater Eastwood, Cloverleaf, Greater 3rd Ward, 2nd Ward, Greater 5th Ward, McGregor, Downtown Houston, Channelview, Harrisburg, or Manchester, Magnolia Park, Lawndale, or Wayside, North Shore, Pecan Park, Houston Ship Channel, Clinton Park Tri-Community, and El Dorado, or Oats Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 5:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near...
Yeah, SVR. Let's go.